Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to deactivate your PlayStation 5 or even your PS4 as primary without waiting 6 months. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So let's say you went ahead and tried to deactivate your PlayStation 5 as primary, and it gave you some sort of message where it says you have to wait 6 months before you can go ahead and do this. Well, you can actually go to the PlayStation website on your computer, and once you're there, make sure you log in the upper right. So here is PlayStation.com. Go to this website, then log in with your account in the upper right. And you'll know you're logged in when you can see your profile. Then you can hit the drop-down menu, and you can see all these different settings. Now, what you want to do is go to Support on the home screen here, and hit the drop-down menu, and then go to Support. Then under Support, then go on down to where it says Account and Security right here, and select this option. And you can go to Account Management and select this. Then go to Activate Console Sharing and Deactivation right here. And you can go to Deactivating your PlayStation console. And then they'll give you some details on how to deactivate your PlayStation 5. But at the end of this page, right here, if you go to where it says Contact PlayStation Support, so let's choose Account and Security under here, and then go to Deactivate Deactivation. And then finally, they give you an option right here that says Chat Now. So for today, the time is 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturday. So let's go to Chat Now. Then you have to type in your first name, your email address, and your online ID. Then you'll be able to talk to someone in real time about your problem and have them deactivate your console, even though it hasn't been 6 months yet. So it takes a little bit to get to the screen, but if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.